So what are the possibilities inside of my business in an XRM type solution? The possibilities are in many ways endless. If you can think of it and you want to track it inside of your business, it can live inside of XRM. Again, that X means anything that's part of our relationship management. So it might mean simply that you need to track certain renewal dates for your clients. You might want to track personal time off of your internal employees. You might want to track mileage and expenses. All of that can be done inside of your XRM solution instead of buying unique one-off applications each time we find a new thing we need to track, or building that Excel spreadsheet, or building that Access database as a one-off every time we have to solve a problem. Think of XRM as one platform that brings all of these possibilities and applications together under one umbrella, and it reduces your need for duplicate information and multiple levels of support.